People want to keep their computers, devices, and information secure and private, but most of us don't want to spend a lot of time and effort on security. My research focuses on understanding users' knowledge, perceptions, and preferences about security and privacy, observing their behaviors, and building and evaluating tools that make it easier for users to meet their security and privacy needs. For example, most people have a lot of passwords and are frustrated by the complex password requirements they encounter. We have conducted experiments in which we asked thousands of crowd workers to create passwords under specific requirements and then try to recall those passwords a few days later. We collected data on both security and usability metrics and determined the effect of each password policy. We used our results to develop our own open source password meter, which we demonstrated can help users create stronger passwords that are just as memorable as those created without the meter. Our research has influenced the development of password guidelines published by the National Institute of Standards and Technology. I'm also doing research on privacy policies. Most companies have privacy policies, but users tend to ignore them because they're so long and complicated. We've been collecting data about privacy policies and developing approaches to simplify them. For example, we developed a privacy nutrition label. It is similar to a food nutrition label, but explains a company's privacy practices in a standard tabular format that is easy to compare with other companies. We are also looking at the mechanisms companies provide to allow users to opt out of certain uses of their data and trying to develop standard approaches to make this easier. And we're extending our work to the Internet of Things. It is hard enough to understand privacy policies on websites. Imagine trying to find and read the privacy policies for every smart light bulb, thermostat, and video camera you walk by each day. We're figuring out what information people want to know about IoT data collection and building tools to make it easy for users to control IoT data collection using their smartphone or smartwatch. By making security and privacy technologies more accessible and usable, we are making it easier for users to protect their security and privacy and putting them in control. And our work is making a difference, impacting real-world products and services, as well as helping to inform public policymakers as they consider new laws and policies related to cybersecurity and privacy.